The IFA weekend will be taking Indian films and its annual award ceremony to Macau this year. The ceremony is held over an extended weekend and the dates have been marked as 11th, 12th and 13th June. Hosting this extravagant event will be the dashing Zayed Khan and the very sexy Sophie Chaudhary. They will be accompanied by a host of film celebrities who will be keeping them company in an effort to promote Hindi films globally.
A festive event such as this, the 10th IFA Awards, its 10th anniversary, 5th IFA Idea Awards and Videocon weekend. I'm so sorry, it's a little confusing, but we will get it right. We are practicing really hard. Actually, what it takes is to go to Karan Johar and learn from him. I'm kind of excited because it's the first time I'm comparing, and you know, it's quite a job. I mean, you know, you usually are always the guest and you're sitting down in the audience and you don't think it's a, you know, very strong enough job, but it is. It's you have to entertain the audience, you have to keep them warm, you have to humor them, and I'm looking forward to this.
There's a lot of things which are going to happen, and I think we're excited and a little bit nervous. मुझे मानव गंगवानी ने ड्रेस किया है, and he will be dressing both Zayed and me for the event in some very exciting clothes जिनके बारे में मैं आपको कुछ भी नहीं बता सकती हूँ.
Honestly, without any bias whatsoever, I think Fardeen. And actress, I would say, man, you're gonna kill me. I think it's a very close fight between Ash, Katrina, and Priyanka.
मकाओ कभी नहीं गई हूँ और मैंने सुना है कि बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त जगह है, बहुत खूबसूरत जगह है. Venetian in itself is just a wonder, and that we're going to be promoting our culture, our films, our music, our fashion in China. हम चाइना के बारे में सुनते रहते हैं, वो हमारे बारे में सुनते रहते हैं, लेकिन I don't think we've ever come face to face on such a grand scale. So yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Well, I've just signed on 2 films. I'm not at liberty to say what. So, but yeah, I'm doing 2. One is a rom-com and one is a love story. So very unlike my action Avatar, I think I'm stepping down and stepping up and doing something a little more fun.
बहुत मजा आएगा ज़ाहिद के साथ काम करके, and I think everyone should be entertained with our wicked sense of humor. I don't believe in all of this skinniness, size zero, and all of that kind of stuff, but I do believe in working out quite often, and I do believe in eating carefully, and once in a while cheating.